pharaohs and timeless mysteries. Its monumental temples tell the story of a civilization that was both ingenious, artistic, and visionary. As the cradle of science and writing, it has left behind priceless treasures and secrets engraved on the walls of royal tombs. But this country is not confined to its legendary past. It is a puzzle whose every piece continues to reveal new discoveries. Beneath the burning sand and within the depths of the Nile, hidden wonders are waiting to be unveiled. Egypt reminds us that its story is far from fully written.